Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something special for all the sari lovers are there. We are going to review the beautiful pure resin Banarasi Dolla silk sari. Price is just rupees 1250. This sari, the first thing you will notice is the exclusive craftsmanship. The sari is made of pure Dolla silk, which gives its a luxurious and shiny appreciation, and resin color add a touch of elegance and sophistication. Moving on to the border, you will see intricate Banarsi design woman with golden thread. This design really makes the sari stand out and give it a regal look. When it comes to the fabric, the Dolla silk feels incredible soft against the skin and wrapped beautifully. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it perfect for festive occasions and special event. The length of sari is gorgeous and generous, allowing you to experiment with the various draping style. Whether you prefer the traditional look or a modern twist, this sari offers versatility like no other. This sari also comes with matching blouse piece, embellishing and you to create a complete embellishment effortless, and simply get it stitched as per your preference, and you will have a perfect fit. In term of value of money, this sari offers exceptional quality at an affordable price point. You are not only getting a stunning piece of clothing but also a true testament of Indian heritage and craftsmanship. You wrap up if you are looking for an elegant and affordable price that will make you feel like royalty. The pure resin Banarsi border Dola silk saree is a fantastic choice. Hurry up and grab your offer. If you want to purchase this saree, then the link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you.